Viewers, greetings of the day. I Raju Mato, pursuing MBA at SSR IMR Silvassa, affiliated with Savitribai Phule Pune University, going to present a research paper titled as A Study on Essence of Startups and Role of Funding Agencies in Indian Context, under the guidance of Dr. Rajesh Kumar Pandey Sir, Associate Professor, SSR IMR. So talking about the table of contents constitutes objectives of the study, literature review, research methodologies adopted, startup essentials and significance, role of funding agencies, and the conclusion. So, talking about the objectives of the study comprises of two objectives. The first, to understand the essence of startups and its significant role in developing entrepreneurship. Second, to study the role of funding agencies for startups in Indian context. Talking about the literature review of the study comprises of articles, blogs, and research papers. Some of the notable points include: startup is an opportunity for an entrepreneur to educate and inspire others while some are thinking of how to do and what to do. Startups are the crucial to any country's economy, and the relationship between the startups, founders, investors, and the governments is vital for any startup to survive the world. The financing sources of startups and the initiative taken by the government for the development of startups in India. It also states the challenges faced by the startups and different policies and agencies involved in developing startups. So talking about the research methodology adopted, the research method includes conceptual and exploratory, and the sources of data include secondary data. So talking about the startup definition given by DIIP, that is Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion. Startups are the companies which are registered or incorporated not prior to 7 years, and for biotechnology firms that period is 10 years. Its annual turnover not exceeds 25 crores in the last 5 financial years. Definition also states that the entity should be working towards innovation, development or improvement of products or processes or services, or if it is the scalable business model with a high potential of employment generation or wealth creation. So now talking about the startup essentials and significance. A very famous saying by Amit Kalantri that people who don't venture will keep working for the people who venture. Startup essentials is specifically targeted towards entrepreneurs within the early stage. Starting your own business can change your life forever, that leads you to get your dreams fulfilled. It can free you from a dull and unfulfilling job and will provide you the flexibility of working, like to work at home, in an office or shared workspace. Being an entrepreneur allows you to set your own working hours, choose your working staff, and pursue the career path of your dreams. If you do it right, it also means earning of more money while having fun at the equivalent time. With several Indian startups pouring during innovative and initiative of the Government of India, which inspires people for startups in India, which can help India's thriving country's main economies so as to make a sustainable economic process and lift industry opportunity. India has about 50,000 startups in 2018. Around 8,900 to 9,300 of these are technology-led startups. 1,300 new tech startups were born in 2019 alone, implying there are 2 to 3 startups born every day. Bangalore has been listed within the world's 20 leading startup cities in 2019 startup Genome project making. It is also ranked as one of the world's 5 fastest growing startup cities. So talking about the exhibit 1, that is the ShareChat. ShareChat is a Bangalore-based social media platform developed by Mohalla Tech Private Limited. ShareChat is the fastest growing social network in India, founded by 3 IIT Kanpur graduates, namely Ankush Sachdeva, Bhanu Pratap Singh and Farid Ehsan. It was founded in October 2015. Its headquarters is situated in Bangalore, Karnataka, and presently provides employment to more than 300 people. According to a report, Economic Times, the ShareChat is valued at more than $400 million. It has investors like Lightspeed Venture Partners, Safe Partners, Twitter, TrustBridge Partners, India Quotient and Sunway Capital. So now talking about the exhibit 2, that is Tribo Hotels. Tribo is one of the India's largest budget hotel chain with a network of more than 250 hotels across 50 cities with all over 6,000 rooms. Tribo Hotels was founded by the 3 IIT Roorkee graduates named Siddharth Gupta, Rahul Chaudhary and Kadamjit Jain. in 2015 as Zipotel as specifically focusing on the budget hotel sector. Tribho Hotels has won the award in 2017 for the Best Budget Hotel category in the Lonely Planet Travel and Lifestyle Leadership Awards. The Tribho Hotels have the investment from BCCL, Matrix and Safe Partners will remain the biggest shareholders, each of them holding 18.99% of the equity, while founders Siddharth Gupta and Rahul Chaudhary holds only 13.35% equity each. Now talking about the role of funding agencies, a very famous saying by Robert Rice Jr. that an entrepreneur without funding is a musician without an instrument. Finance is the key requirement of any new startup. Funding is an act of providing financial resources, usually in the form of money or other values such as effort and time to finance a need, program or any project. The role of funding agencies include to identify the new entrepreneurs and providing them with all the required help and assistance for their startups, to provide financial assistance in regards to capital for buying of equipment, land, machinery, working capital and other facilities for the new entrepreneurs, to empower the women by providing exclusive women's fund for them, to offer a large range of loans for different financial needs like buying land and agriculture projects and high-tech machinery. Now talking about the exhibit 3, that is list of funding agencies with its establishment year, which are founded to provide the funds to startups as well as existing businesses. Name of funding agencies include Industrial Finance Corporation of India, that is IFCI, established in 1948. State Financial Corporation, that is SFC, established in 1951. National Scales Industries Development Corporation, that is NSIC, established in 1955. Industrial Development Bank of India, that is IDBI, established in 1964. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, that is ICICI, established in 1994. Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, established in 2000. So we reached to the conclusion of this study. Entrepreneurs shape financial destiny of nations by creating wealth and employment with the help of starting a new startup. There are endless money-making opportunities in today's world. Funding to startups helps the businesses on the activities like product development, manufacturing, expansion, sales and marketing, office spaces, inventory and others. Startups leads increase of young entrepreneurs in India, which helps the nation in ways like increase in national income, providing opportunities for employment. Funding agencies provide funding to new entrepreneurs for startups. There are various government agencies which supports new entrepreneurs in various matters in starting up of a business and laterally for growth too. So thank you to all the viewers.